Um, Welcome back, guys, in this new video of Code with Prozol channel. You will be knowing how you can create your own personal domain from com.np and how you can host your projects into your own domain. So let me clarify you what is domain. So domain is basically a web address that you can own and host any of your projects or your portfolio or anything you want. So let me show you my own domain first. Here I have got projwal-gautam.com.np. This is my domain that I have owned from com.np. So I'll be teaching you how you can get your own. So first of all, you can see here I have hosted my portfolio. So you can do yours. First of all, come to any of the browser you have and open it, then type .com.np. Then you'll be coming to this first link and then click user login, then create a user if you are new. Then you will be entering your detail over here as I have did. So when you enter your detail, you just create account. Just hit the button create account. Then you will have your account for this website only. Then the second step start. So once you are the user of this website, you have to come to the dashboard over here, and then you have to find a domain for you that is suitable for you. Maybe it's your name. Most in the case, people prefer to take a domain with their name, just like I did, Prozol Gautam. Then just type search. So here you find, sorry, prozolgautam.com.np is already taken by someone else. Maybe there is more Prozol Gautam who have already taken this domain before me. So that's the advantages of registering late. So you have to type something else like Prozol Gautam 2 or maybe 3, whatever. You can also put hyphen on the middle like this, or you can just type 1 or 2 or whatever you like. Then just search. So here you can find congratulations, prozolgautam2.com.np is available. Click register now for further process. Then you will hit the button register now. So once you hit the icon, you will see a form that you need to fill before you get your domain. So here you can just keep it whatever it is right now, that ns1 hosting.net.np, and here in the secondary name server you can keep it ns2 hosting.net.np, whatever it is, and you will keep the name of your like whatever you have your name in your verified documents, the government documents, like whatever you have. So you have to fill all this form by your own. You will fill your name, your nationality, your province or state, and your city, and your post box. That is basically a zip code. You can get your zip code. You can search on Google my zip code or your location and zip code. You can search, you will get this easily. So let me show without any further delay. So for mine, BUDHA BARA Budavare postcode, you can find it here. So copy this and this, paste it here, or simply type it. So once you did this, you can again copy the administrative contact, copy as above. And so I forget one thing. If you are an organization, not a person, then you have to put your organization name, not your full name. So if you are a person, you can just leave this box. Then you will save and continue. Then you will be redirected to this page, and you will see here um, some precautions, required documents, sample for personal domain, and this is for organization. So for personal, what is needed is a citizenship copy, maybe a photocopy or just a photo. You will have to get your cover letter, and here I'll teach you how you can get your cover letter done. So just come to a new window and search cover letter. You can just generate a simple cover letter from your ChatGPT as well, but I prefer this. You can just come to Prabhu Host. I have did so I am recommending you, and just come to this, and you have to fill the form over here. Your cover letter will be generated automatically. So here you have got your domain to be filled, whatever you type, just there like Prajal Gautam 2 or Prajal Gautam 1, whatever you have applied here, whatever you fill the here, just copy it and come to this and just paste it here. And your name that is in your document, whatever it is, I said you early, and you can see here now whatever you can read. Just pause the video and you can read. So the main important portion is this three: your hosting name, your domain name, your primary name server, secondary server. And once you are done with this, just screenshot it. You must have a full size screenshot. Don't miss out any of the information. Then once you snap it, just come to the previous window, whatever you call, and just see here, the file must be less than 200 kilobytes. That means the picture, the screenshot you have just taken, it must be low in size. That means you must come to a size image size reducer or compressor, whatever. This is not what I want. Okay, size compressor. So once you come to this website, you can select your image. So here you select your screenshot that you have recently took. So see here, you can just adjust its size, and once the size is adjusted, you just download. And here you got your 11 KB screenshot. Just open it, and then once you open, come to the same file, same window, and here you will click to a cover letter, and here you have got choose file. Before than that, let me show you something. You have to come to the folder where it is, and you have to rename this. It is said that if you rename this, there are high chance that your domain will be accepted. I have did this silly trick maybe. So you can write here, rename the picture to cover letter, and just save. So once you are done with the rename of the cover letter, you just select here cover letter, and hit the choose file. So just hit and open, then just save image, and likewise again choose to the citizen document or registration document, then choose file, and find where you have kept your picture of your citizenship. Maybe you can click the photo and send it to the your computer, your PC, and then same as before, you just compress the size of the image and then upload it here. Once you have uploaded, just hit save image. So once you do this, just come to the dashboard. Once you hit the save image, so once you hit the save image, you just have to come to the np domain registration again, then come to the dashboard, and you will see here domain request. Here I have got mine. It is now sent for preview. Once the officials preview your application, they will simply activate it, and it will be shown to you in this section. The request will be shown to this section, new request under approval, and the active domain will be here. prajalgautam.com.np is over here, and it is active, and you can edit what you want. So this was the complete process for the registration. Usually the registration portion usually takes at least 24 to 34 hours, 30 hours maybe, and once it is done, you have to have some projects or maybe your portfolio, and let me clarify you. So if you face any problem while doing these steps, you can contact me. I'll help you personally when I'm free. So if you got any problem while doing these steps, you can just contact me. I will reach out to you and help you to get your domain registered.